today's the last good day of riding, boys. Man, it sucks. Got some snow yesterday, now it's 40 degrees and she's all drippy drip, melt, you know? So I figured I'd come get one last good ride in before the season's over. And maybe later in the video, later in the video we'll be working on my buddy's new sled. Got a new sled. The sled is a Polaris 500 XC. Pretty alright sled, you know. We got it for 500 bucks. It needs some work. And we started working on it yesterday. And hopefully we'll have it running soon. And I think I'm going to make some video on it. So you'll see that in a couple minutes. It'd be nice to make some more trails that go down this way because we don't have any. There's plenty more space to make some. Bro, I need to take this off. When's the last time I've been snowmobiling in a fucking like man, something's been heating. Woo! Well, I'll tell you what, boys. She sure is ripping good. The good old 583, boys. But pretty soon, dirt bike season, and that's gonna be a hell of a lot more fun, I hope. Guys, no offense to the snowmobile, but dirt's always, well, I shouldn't say that. Dirt's not always here, like, I mean, the dirt's here, you can see it. It's all covered up, though. I think I gotta go take my sweater off. It's pretty hot. Nice. big bird, boys. Bald eagle. Hell yeah. He's ripping. Oh hey! I didn't even know you were gone, buddy. Ah, good thing I found these guys. I should probably put them in here. Man, this thing really sounds good. It just sounds good, you know. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but since the first video I've kind of just been riding wherever, trying to make new little paths to ride, and so far it's going a-okay, you know. We got the main trail, but you know, oh yeah, sometimes you just gotta go off the main trail. Skimmed a cinder block. Good thing I didn't pound that thing. He scared me because I skimmed it. Woo! Yeah, this year didn't have a SAM pass, so couldn't ride on the trails, but next year we're going to be doing some trail riding with the sleds. I think it'll be a lot more interesting for you guys than me just ripping around here over and over again, you know. And for dirt biking videos, Tyler's dad has some property up in VT that he's always welcomed us to ride on, so we'll probably take him up on that, do some awesome riding up in the great Vermont woods. My buddy Sawyer said there might be a spot that his family has that we could ride, so who knows. Hopefully we're going to get some more diverse riding locations in. There's an old track in the woods near where we live that Tyler knows about that I am heavily interested in. And it's either starting to rain or snow. It said it was going to snow. I think it's too warm for snow. I think it's starting to rain, boys. So away she goes. Wow, man, this thing rips. Yeah, if you keep going this way, it brings you to the railroad tracks, which a lot of people use to get to the trails, and they just happen to come across our lawn, which is kind of cool, you know. Always love seeing some sleds roll by. Pretty much anywhere in town here, you can get on the trails. It's pretty nice. Woohoo! A little jump action for you, boys, but it's starting to rain, so I think I'm gonna have to put this bad girl away, and I think the snow's gonna go bye-bye. But if we do end up getting more snow, my next video is for sure gonna be riding and fixing and riding Sawyer's Polaris 500 XC. You know what I'm saying, boys? That shit's gonna be awesome. And then that's just one more person to ride with, so that's more fun. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here, boys. So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe down below if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate both of those things. And if you could share this with any of your friends or family, that'd be much appreciated as well. But till next time, peace.